Hi students, welcome to Bosco Campus Vision. I am Shankar Ganesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application, Don Bosco College, Kottayam. I am delighted to present a lecture on the topic Evolution of Information Systems and Total Quality Management, which comes under the subject Information Systems and Knowledge Management. This lecture is meant for Semester 5 BCA course of Kerala University. In the previous lecture, we have discussed the data and database management system. Now let's discuss information and information processing. Information is a critical resource in the operation and management of organizations. An information system is the link that connects all the organization's components together and provide for better operation and survival in a competitive environment. The term information system usually refers to a computer-based system, one that is designed to support the operations, management, and decision functions of an organization. Information system in organizations provide information support for decision makers. It encompasses transaction processing system, management information systems, decision support systems, and strategic information systems. Next, we can discuss information processing. Information processing is the process of changing or converting information into meaningful form. Information is a processed, organized, or classified data which is useful for the receiver. The receiver of information takes actions and decisions based on the information received. കളക്റ്റഡ് ഇൻഫർമേഷനെ അർത്ഥവത്താക്കുകയോ ഉപയോഗപ്രദമാക്കുകയോ ചെയ്യുന്ന പ്രവൃത്തിയാണ് ഇൻഫർമേഷൻ പ്രോസസ്സിംഗ്. ഇൻഫർമേഷൻ കളക്ട് ചെയ്യുന്ന റിസീവർ കളക്ട് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഇൻഫർമേഷനിൽ അനുസൃതമായ മാറ്റങ്ങൾ വരുത്തുന്നുണ്ട്. Collected data must be processed to get meaning out of it, and this meaning is obtained in the form of information. Information is considered useful and meaningful only when it has certain characteristics. The characteristics of information processing are: first one, timely; second one, accuracy; third one, completeness; and fourth one, comprehensive. Timely. Information should be available when required. A delay in obtaining information renders it useless. Accuracy. Accuracy of information has a significant impact on the decision making. Possibilities of even slightest errors should be minimized. Completeness. Information should be complete. Incomplete information causes incorrect and unintended results. Comprehensive. Information which is incomprehensible is useless for the receiver. This becomes a case of information failure as the sender sent the information but it was of no use for the receiver. Thus is not considered as information. Information consists of data that have been processed and are meaningful to a user. A system is a set of components that operate together to achieve a common purpose. Thus, an MIS collects, transmits, processes, and stores data on an organization's resources, programs, and accomplishments. The system makes possible the conversion of these data into management information for use by decision makers within the organization. MIS therefore produces information that supports the management functions of an organization. The terms associated with information processing are: first one, relationship; second one, versions; third one, informating; fourth one, knowledge work. First one, relationship. It is a loose coupling between content instances that enriches the overall meaning that is conveyed by those instances of content. It can have an explicit meaning. For example, an insurance policy defines the relationship between the insurance provider and the insured person or property. Second one, versions. They are deliberate variations on the meaning. By creating versions, knowledge workers add individual interpretive significance and new meaning to existing content. അതായത് വ്യക്തിപരമായ പുതിയ വ്യാഖ്യാനങ്ങൾ നിലനിൽക്കുന്ന ഡേറ്റയ്ക്ക് കൊടുക്കുന്നു. തേർഡ് വൺ, informating. It is the process that translates descriptions and measurements of activities, events and objects into information. Computing systems that support automated processes routinely uses such information. For example, this kind of information may be displayed on screens for manufacturing supervisors. Fourth one, knowledge work. It is the intellectual activity that is performed by people upon data, information and knowledge in order to discover business options. It produces mature content. Knowledge work is often referred as decision support. In this lecture, we have discussed the information processing and the characteristics of information processing. Hope all of you have understood the lecture. Thank you.